Hi everybody! Today I wanted to unbox this phone stand that I bought. The reason that I bought it was in hopes that I would be able to do some of my close-up ASMR videos a little bit easier. So I wanted you to be here with me when I opened it up. So before I begin, some of the details on this are as follows. I bought this on Amazon. I will link the information down below. The description of this on the website says adjustable cell phone stand, Lamicall desk phone holder, cradle, dock, compatible with all 4 to 8 inch phones. And it comes in 5 colors: black, gray, red, rose gold, and silver. I got black. The item dimensions are 3 by 3 by 4. Like I said, the color is black, the brand is Lamicall, the material is aluminum, and the item weight is 120 grams. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, I also wanted to say at the time that I purchased it, the cost was $11.99. So it comes in this cool kind of shaped box. It shows some options on the side of how to use it. Yeah, that looks really nice. It is very sturdy. Spare parts. I'll have to check that out in a minute. Yeah, so this swivels around, giving you a few different options. Let's see what's in here. We have some stickers that are for some grips, maybe protect. Looks like a few spares for there. Oh yeah, they're spares. That's really nice. Oh yeah, it says spare parts. I guess those are the spare parts. Dear customer, thank you so much for choosing Lamicall. We sincerely hope that you would be satisfied with our product and service. Your satisfaction will be a great motivation for us. We would do our best to offer you a good shopping experience. If you have any concern about our product and service, please do not hesitate to contact us. That's really thick paper. I almost thought that there was something else there. All right, so let's test this out. So looks like it has entry port here so that you can plug in your charger or maybe headphones, whatever else you might want to hook up to there. I'm gonna try this out here. So yeah, it adjusts pretty easily. I do like that. You can do it while the phone is on there, which is nice. You can do it that way, or you can do it that way. Let's see how high up it goes. Oh yeah. So that's really cool. I'm not sure why you would hook it like that unless maybe you were hooking it on something. But if you're hooking it on, well, maybe. I don't know. That's pretty cool, actually. Let's see. Is it going to work for what I want? Yeah, I think it will, because if I go to do a video and I can do it that way too. I can do that way too, as long as I have it off to the side a little bit. Yeah, I think that's gonna work really great. I think that's gonna work really great for what I want to use it for, up close videos for you guys. So let me know in the comments what you want me to record next. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. That's what I have to say about my Lamicall stand. So far, I'm really happy with it. I haven't used it yet, but you guys will see the videos and you might be able to recognize when I'm using it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe if you feel like it, and keep an eye out for my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.